What's up, YouTube? We're here at the attic and we are doing some preventive maintenance. I actually unclogged. We're having some clog issues on my condensation, and right here I already unclogged the line and we're doing some preventive maintenance. White vinegar and all of your air conditioning unit, look for these T signs or T connectors. This is where you're going to pour this white vinegar. This is the service line or service thing where you can use this to unclog the system. Now my kid will explain what's going on. Okay, first line.
So this first line drains the condensation from your air conditioner down to the sink.
Yeah.
But when this drain line builds up with mold and dust over time, it'll combine with the condensation, it'll solidify into like a gel or rubber type.
Right.
It'll clog and cause the line to fail.
Especially on the elbow side, huh?
So when it does, there's this second backup pipe with a basin that collects the condensation when it's failing, and this line collects the condensation in the basin and drains outside of the house.
So when you see the drain outside the house dripping, it means there's water here and this first line is failing. And sometimes when this got too much, it will trip and then your AC will not work. And your AC guy will come and charge you to buy the whole system for $14,000, where actually it's just a clog drain. So we're gonna pour the white vinegar using this, so it will be tidy. You can turn it off, you can leave the AC on. Turning it off will soak everything and it will save you some money, but this is cheap. If it's running, then fine, it just go flush all the way to the drain. So to explain it again, so
When you have the drain pipe and it's clogged with dust and condensation, mold, it'll cause the line to clog, and so the extra condensation will have to be collected by this extra pipe in this basin. And so when you see that basin drain outside, it's a good sign that your main line is clogged. So
coming from a kid, huh?
you have to unclog it with the service line.
And I think this is also important to remove some of this, because this can clog the drain pan here. Okay, so let's start pouring this. Okay, let's do it. Woo!